प्रवाशांची सुविधा आणि कार्यक्षमता वाढवपाचे लक्ष केंद्रित करूनच दाबोळेच्या विमानतळाचो विस्तार चल्ला. दाबोळी विमानतळाचो संचालक लेफ्टनंट आकाशदीपान सांगले. ह्या विस्तारात टर्मिनल, मुळाव्या साधन सुविधांनी सुधारणा, सुरक्षा प्रणाली आणि प्रवाशांक हाताळपाची तांक ह्या सगळ्यांचो आस्पाव आसा.
Expansion plan in progress, and around 18,300 square meters we are going to increase, which will help in the domestic passenger capacity enhancement of around 700 passengers. Total passengers capacity would increase to 5150 passengers, 5,150 passengers. Due to this expansion, there will be increase of check-in counters also, which will facilitate our passengers in the services. Around 32 new check-in counters will be introduced, making a total of 96 check-in counters. Further, we have self check-in, drop facility. We already have 10 numbers, and we plan to introduce 4 more. That will make it 14 for self check-in drop facility. Passenger boarding, we have 8 numbers. We are increasing one more shortly, so that will increase to 9 boarding bridges. Elevators, we have 15. We plan to introduce more and increase to 22 number of elevators. Escalators also we have 12. 5 new escalators are being introduced, which will make the number to 17. Inline baggage system we have 2. We are introducing one more. That will make inline baggage system 3, 4, or so that a more technology based checking and security, more efficient way of checking will be introduced, which will certainly improve the dwell time, the checking time of the passengers. On the long run, it affects the efficiency of the airport, the airlines. So this is our plan. Recently, we have introduced executive lounge in the security hold area of International Airport site. Duty paid liquor shop for domestic passengers also introduced. Money exchange counter has been introduced in arrival and departure. More seating capacity has been introduced, around 650. New chairs have come up. Perfume shop has been introduced. In future development programs, we do plan to introduce duty paid shop at International, which is getting ready already. Shortly it will be in place. We are also planning for introducing new parking bays. The building where you are sitting, this will be brought down, and we are planning to increase more bays so that we can entertain more flights.
दिल्लीत जाल्ल्या स्फोटाचे फाटभुंयेर दाबोळी विमानतळाचो संचालक आकाशदीपान विमानतळाच्या सुरक्षा नेमांचो नियाळ घेतलो. सुरक्षा उपाय चड खर केल्यात. गस्त वाडोवप, सामान तपासप, प्रवाशांची सुरक्षितताय ह्या गजालींक घेवन CISF आणि गोंय पुलीस हांचे मदलो समन्वय वाडयला. विमानतळ कर्मचाऱ्यांनी सादुरताय बाळगुची. दुबावीत घडणूक दिश्टी पडली जाल्यार बेगोबेग म्हायती दिवची असो उलो आकाशदीपान मारला.
After the recent incident in Delhi, we have received a red alert also. So we carried out a special security meeting, sensitized all the stakeholders, all the agencies working at the airport, to not only to augment their systems to be more sensitive towards the procedures, but also to sensitize their individuals who are on duty that this is not a normal place of working, this is a sensitive place. So चलता है वाला एटीट्यूड नहीं चलेगा. One has to keep an eyes and ears open. कुछ भी नॉर्मल से हटके होता है तो इत्तला करने की जरूरत है. चलता है वाला नहीं चलेगा कि अरे हमें क्या करना है. Security is everyone's concern. This is how we had a meeting here in the same room yesterday. I addressed them, sensitized them, and CSF as a prime responsibility of airport security is with CSF. So they have also augmented their own systems, enhanced their manpower, more number of people on vigilance and other duties. We have also requested the state police to cooperate to come up with the city side man management and traffic management. I hope they are doing it, because traffic management is directly, again, like this is in Delhi what has happened is a car. So we do not want such a thing to happen at our airport. So the police of Goa and the traffic police are having equal responsibility, and we hope that they are carrying out those checks more sternly than the normal days, because together we can pull out, we can have the safe environment.